Governmental Authority on Development IGAD ni marutite woni wao ni undu wa gucokereria kwa ikundi cia wekinae na njira nene kurigana na ruhonge ruru rwa IGAD wagi wa gitiri no wongererekete undu uria ucungagiririo ni mathina maumanaga na ugaruruku wa riera na ingi makagamirwo ni ngaragu magicungiririo guthama na kuria maikaraga magicaria irio. Mwandiki witũ Mwende wa Mbere ena riboti ino makiria.
Naivasha.
Mvonge ya IGAD ni rutete woni wao burori wa wagi wa ugitiri matongoretwo ni mutongoria wa mvonge yo yaratari uria gicigo kia IGAD mavotete kumenya maturuma maria Red Sea na Gulf ya Eden tauteti na ugitiri wa kuu uvotete kumavanjira uria mangivota kungethanira na mathina macio.
Therefore, the IGAD sub-region, having identified collectively, especially the challenges posed by the Red Sea and the Gulf of Eden, the geopolitics of the Red Sea, the geo-economy of the Red Sea, geo-security of the Red Sea, were able to therefore provide a roadmap on how to mitigate these challenges.
Mutongoria wengi ni aravesana mathina maria gicigo kia IGAD maravitukira imwe irugaruruku wa riera kwa miaka iri.
IGAD region faces various challenges. We have a common challenge from climate change. The stories of our country experiences over the last 1 or 2 years is very much a good explanation.
Thina wa kairi ni wagi wa ugitiri na ikundi cia kinae kuongerereka na ngai cia kiuteti.
Secondly, we have challenges that are related with the peace and security crisis. We continue to have the challenge of terrorism and extremism. We continue to have the challenge of what we call perpetual political transitions. We have a situation of warring nature in terms of instability, political instability in some of the countries in the region.
Kwaga uthia na mbere kwa mavururi ni kuragia maundu uri mengi ma kwaga ugitiri kiu ni gitumikia miso kia ravesandire.
Developments it creates windows for loopholes for insecurity and instability in our region, and vice versa. In areas where we have instability, it delays sustainable development. So definitely is delayed. The cost of dealing with conflicts means there is less attention, less resources for development.
Ngirivotera Muthingi TV, mbetagwo Mwende wa Mbere.